Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. So the home that I have in the back of me is a 4-bedroom, 3-story home. It's fantastic looking, and this is one of the pool homes. Now the pool homes is something that people have been asking about for quite some time during the early phases and even actually closer towards the end, which, speaking of the end, the community is now coming to exactly that. So there's only a few homes left. If you are interested in this home, please, as I say in every video, contact me first before you contact the builder. There is no charge to you as a buyer for my service because the builder does pay for it. It does not in any way, shape, or form reduce, lower, or eliminate any of the incentives that you would get from the builder, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's check out this fantastic looking 3-story home. Really nice, 4-bedroom, has a metal roof. And again, we are over at Margaritaville Resort, which is located in Kissimmee. Excellent looking home. Has some nice places to sit out. You could see up on the 2nd story. You could sit out front over there. Okay, so let's go inside and have a look at this home. So when you first walk in, you have your living room area. I'm just going to go all the way down to my feet just so you can see about where I'm standing, which is all the way up against the wall. Now this community is coming to a closeout for new homes. And new homes do have a warranty, so just keep that in mind. And anybody that does watch my channel knows how much I love new homes. I do love new homes there. It's the way to go when you can buy one. Especially, typically the price is very similar. And there's just a ton of benefits that always come with new, which the most important benefit is that it's new. So you really shouldn't have to do any maintenance on it for quite some time. Okay, so here's your pool. Now you can see your pool is fenced in. You can see there's a whole bunch of room over here to sit. And you can see you have some space over here in your back. Okay, so let's have a look inside these cabinets. You can see you got 4 shelves. Now the home's going to come with everything that you see in it right now. So you're going to have new appliances, new everything. Okay, so let's go take a walk up to the second floor. Got some really excellent looking stairs. Here's your first bedroom. And there's your pool view. Not many of these homes in this section are still under construction, so that's why you're going to see some construction boxes and pool equipment and stuff like that that's still not put out. And some of these, like this home, is ready to go. But you can see just how much space you have in the rear here. Now the other homes in the earlier phases, typically you have no fence or anything, and you can't put a fence in either. So there's no future fence allowed. If the home has no fence, there's no fence. Which means, of course, anybody could just come and sit down in your back section and just plop down in the chairs. Which, yeah, not everybody wants that. And also too, because this home is an inventory home, it might not be 100% complete. So keep that in mind as well. Let's get a better look at these tiles. Okay, so this is your washer and dryer. And as you can see, it comes with it, so you're going to have a brand new washer and dryer. Now I always do like to point out that it's fantastic over here because what they did was they put the washer and dryer on top of basically the bottom of a shower. So you can see there's a drain over there. See the drain, and the washer and dryer sits right on top of it. What does that mean? In the event the washing machine leaks, it's going down the drain and not all over the house. And here we have another bedroom. And from here, there's another place to sit outside and just enjoy it. So over here you got shelves and some closet space back here. And you can hang your clothes. Really nicely equipped. Well, let's go up to the 3rd floor. Okay, so this is your air conditioning room, but of course it's also storage because it's basically a small closet. So, you know, if you did move in and you were living here, you could put up some shelves. Now, if you're using this to be in the rental program, you can't modify the home in any way. You'd also have to have the approved furniture package. And as I'm sure you noticed, each of the bedrooms has its own private bath, which is really nice. And this is the 4th and final bedroom. This is a nice large bedroom too, by the way. And you have another closet with the same as the previous one. You got your shelves and drawers. Plus a place to hang your clothes. And this just so happens to be the master. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you some isometric views of each room, and you can also see me in the viewer to give you a little bit better size perspective. So let's start right here in the master. And this is just a standard bedroom. This is one that has the bathroom attached. Okay, you can see that. Now the isometric view can be a little bit strange as well, so just keep that in mind. Sometimes it makes the home look a little bit smaller than it actually is. You know, the best thing is to always see a home in person That's the best way to get a feel of what it's like. The videos are great for a rough idea, don't get me wrong, but seeing it in person, that's always the way to go. Okay, now we're going down to the first floor. I'm going to give you an isometric view from the kitchen. And let's get an isometric of the pool area, or as best as I can get. And this is your living room, kitchen area.